everyone, I am Sahasra from 6C, and during this lockdown I have developed an interest for cooking, and so today I am gonna be baking a whole wheat chocolate cake, and the ingredients are as follows. Now take a big bowl and add 1 big full cup of atta. And then next add 1 cup of sugar. And then add a half a cup of oil. Then next add a 1 cup of milk. Next add 5 spoons of curd. Then add some 3 spoons of cocoa powder. Next add some elaichi powder. And then add a little baking soda. And then now mix all the ingredients together till it becomes a smooth batter. So my batter is ready. Now I'm going to shift it into a cake mold. So I have my cake mold, and before you shift your cake mold cake batter into your cake mold, grease it with butter. So I have my butter here. Take 1 spoon of butter and grease it all the way in the cake mold. So I have greased my cake mold, and now I'm gonna add my batter into the cake mold. So I have shifted my batter into the cake mold, and now I'm going to keep it in oven for 30 minutes. So I have my cake baked, and now I'm going to add toppings which are optional. And my topping, I have 2 toppings which are chocolate syrup and chocolate. So first I'm adding my chocolate syrup. And now I'm gonna add chocolate. So I put my chocolate.